So children, I asked you that the blades of the fan and the hands of the clock are moving, but the fan and clock is not moving place to place. So is it come under movable one or non-movable one? Isn't it? We stopped there. So in what category you will write these names? Some parts is moving, but the whole one is not moving place to place. But there is a moving part in that always according to the time. In clock means the hand is always moving, the second hands. And the minutes for each minute it is moving. And our hand is moving for each 1 hour. So always it is throughout the 24 hours it is moving. So in what category you will write? Movable. But we took the condition that movable is moving place to place. Like that we took in that as birds, animals and human beings we wrote. But in this, it is not moving place to place, but some of the parts is moving. So what can we do? Some of the parts is moving. It also a movable one, but it is in the another type. That is, for motion, there are several kinds that we are going to study now. Types of motion. And I am asking one thing. The movement of these hands are as same the movement of the bus or car or train is moving. They are moving as straight, but this is moving in a round base, isn't it? The bow from the arrow from the bow, if we let it, it will travel in a straight line. The aeroplane after takeoff, after reaches some height, it will travel in a straight line. Like the same, the blades of the fan is moving? No. That motion is different and aeroplane motion is different. The aeroplane, the bus and train, otherwise the 100-meter runner in the running race, those are called sprinters for 100 meter. They are running in a straight mode, isn't it? So the motion in a straight line is known as rectilinear motion. One type of motion is rectilinear motion. Rectilinear, that is straight line. Straight line motion. So if it is a straight line, you may watch the march past of the soldiers on Independence Day, otherwise Republic Day march in the TVs. It was happening every year in Delhi. It is happening in our capital of our country, Delhi. So those are moving in a straight line. So that kind of movement is called rectilinear movement. If that is rectilinear because they are moving in a straight line, then this motion, the hands of the clock, the blades of the fan, they are moving in a circular path. Then we can say it is a circular motion. What is? Circular motion. Rectilinear motion, circular motion. Means moving in a round path. Motion in a, where I catch. Motion in a round path. Okay. Then I will ask some motions. See, In your textbook they ask you to tie a stone with a rope and ask you to move like this. So if we move like this, it will move in a circular path. So it is a circular motion, but it is fixed at the center, isn't it? So circular motion, from the fixed point the object is taking a circular motion. See here in the clock also, at the center it is fixed, the hands are fixed, but they are taking the circular motion. Like the same, the fan, at the center it is fixed, from that the blades are taking a circular motion. Like the same, another kind motion is also there. You think you may watch the clock, wall clock. It also one kind. The another kind, bigger one, which contains the pendulum. Sometimes you may watch the pendulum. Pendulum like this, it is not a what? It is a plastic rope, so it is not a straight one. If you are taking the rope, coil rope, it will be in a straight one, and the pendulum will be moves like this, isn't it? The sideways moves like this. And what kind of motion it is? The sideways, side to side, it is moving. Like the same, you may use the swing in the park, otherwise it may be in your house. In Onams, we are arranging the swings to play. So in the swing, how we are playing, how the swing is moving, it moves front and back, isn't it? Back and fro, it will be called, means back and fro means front. And this kind of, the pendulum movement is to and fro, side to side, to and fro, and the swings are back and fro, means going front and coming back.